The cold wind brushes past my face, like your touch I can't replace. Winter whispers through the trees, carrying your memory. Footprints fading in the snow, like the way you let me go. I stand alone beneath gray skies, holding back these silent cries.
Every breath turns into air, like the words we couldn't share. Your name drifts softly on the breeze and falls down to its knees.
I'm missing you in the cold wind. Every night it pulls me in. Through the frost, through the pain, I hear your voice in the rain.
I'm missing you in the cold wind, reaching out but you're not within. No matter how tight I hold on, you're already gone. Streetlights flicker in the dark, like the tremble in my heart.
Your shadow walks beside me still,
In every silence, every chill. Coffee cups on empty tables, broken dreams and fairy tales. The world keeps moving, unaware of the love that's no longer there. I try to warm these frozen hands, but nothing ever understands how one goodbye could leave behind a storm that never leaves my mind. I'm missing you in the cold wind. It cuts deeper than my skin. Through the night, through the blue, every snowflake feels like you. I'm missing you in the cold wind, where our story should have been. I whisper words you'll never hear, while winter holds me here.
if I could chase the wind tonight, I'd follow it into the night, across the mountains, past the sea, to bring you back to me.
But the wind just slips away, like the promises you couldn't stay. And I'm left here in the snow, with a love that won't let go. I'm missing you in the cold wind, still calling you from deep within. Through the storm, through the years, through every frozen tear. I'm missing you in the cold wind, though I know you won't return again. Still my heart refuses to mend when winter never ends. The wind keeps calling your name,
And I keep doing the same,
missing you
in the cold wind.
I'm missing you in the cold wind, still calling you from deep within. Through the storm, through the years, through every frozen tear. I'm missing you in the cold wind, though I know you won't return again. Still my heart refuses to mend when winter never ends.
The wind keeps calling your name,
And I keep doing the same,
missing you.